Good morning, little boy. Good morning, my buddy. It's too early. You said, where my food at, huh? Oh, go boy. Oh, I love my Jack's kid. Jack's, that's a good boy. Alright, so getting my snacks and sandwiches ready. I like this bread. It's a little more expensive, but it's phenomenal. We got a little sandwich. That's how I stay fit, you know. Couple Cokes. Got my cooler. Well, since it's early o'clock, you can't even tell. That's what it says. That's 5. It's 5 on the dot. There you go. Alright, so got a couple calls out at this school. Oh, it's an hour and 47-minute drive away. That's why I'm up all friggin' early. So get all my stuff around, myself and grab a coffee. And then we'll get out here and see what we can get into. So, guys have a good day. You too, Jaxie. You have a good day, my good boy. My dog's still sleeping with my wife. Alright. You guys rock and roll. We'll see you here in a few minutes. 5:30. Getting on the road. Gotta get out there by 8 and go get me some coffee. You know. Alright, here we go. 2-hour drive. It's gonna be a big stormy day coming in. Got my music bumping, how I always do. You ain't got music bumping, I don't know what the fuck's wrong with you. You listen to talk radio while you drive around? Jesus, man, step it up, you know what I mean? We're gonna get this vibe going this morning. 103 though, I ain't about this nonsense. Woo, I got this. You ain't really got this. All you do is pop shit. You ain't really on shit. This is for my team though. We ain't about the nonsense. Keep it 103 though. Alright, we're gonna get into this over here. Give my baby a little wash. You know, they like that I keep it clean. I like that it's clean. So, power wash this out a little bit. You know, and I'll grab my rag. I'll wipe it all down. Sure, we're nice. Ready for the week. Oh yeah. Trying to kill some time before I get out to that school call. That's all. Alright, well, I'm gonna get rocking. See you guys in a few. Alright, getting into Marino, Colorado. Freaking crazy little cornfield town. So, 7:40. Clock's a few minutes fast. Should be there in about 15 minutes, and then we'll see what's going on with these RTUs at this cornfield school. So that's what we're gonna call this one, the cornfield call. Ah! CFC, cornfield call. This is a CFC call. Alright, 2 back in here in a sec. Hey, a little dirt road action. There's a school over there. See if I can meet my boy Dana. Man, this shit is really, it's in the middle of nowhere. It's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna go see if I can find Dana. And we'll get on this roof over here and see what we got going on. Rock and roll. How's that unit and that one? I'm trying to see if any of these units are in heating or cooling right now. Okay. Guess that works. Weird ass bugs. Jeez. It's nice. It's a little warm outside, but I got the condensation on the roof evaporating, giving me some little cold air. So when I got up here, this unit was in heat. Let's see what's going on. And I gotta see what temperature it is up here. Let's see what we got on a temp. Nice little cornfield area. Pretty cool. Right there, we'll see what we get. So it was fired in heat, but it's kind of one of those in-between days. Colorado's kind of weird. We have a high split temp as far as the daytime versus the nighttime. So that looks good. What the fuck is this? That's what the maintenance guy does. That's pretty funny. Let's see. So it's 76 outside. So we're definitely not going to be economizing. Bad boy on. I really like this new flashlight I got, this Nebo. That extension. It's really cool about the little, it's only 28 bucks. It's pretty sweet. Let's see what we got going on. Alright, with the blower. It's firing heat. I don't think we should be firing heat. We need to go find the room where this thing goes. So let me go find the room real quick and we'll see what the temperature is in there. That thing sounds terrible. Oh my god. Jeez, that thing sounds like shit. Where's my data tag at? Walk around like an idiot. We got 10 amps, 10.6. Let me hook up on this thing. This thing sounds terrible. Holy shiznit. Got a nice full line though. Sounds terrible. Said we should not be economizing, and we're not. That's good. Under 55, you'll do economizer.
Other than the fact that that compressor sounds like shit, this thing's actually running pretty good. This thing's running like a champ right here. This one sounds great. Wow. So they had their sliders. If you have it set all the way to warm, depending upon the room temperature, it might bring the heat on. So you get a 4-degree play usually. There's our 70, 74. So if it gets 69 in the room, it's going to bring on the heat. And they had their thing set all the way to warm. So I just moved the slider to the middle, came up here, the unit was already on cooling, and we'll have to go check out this other one. They have the carrier eye view here, so it's on the computer and everything. So, alright, I'm gonna go see what's going on with this other one. There's no alarms. Supply air temperature 52. Alarms 0. Time 7:30. System over there comes on and operates fine. So now I'm gonna go up here, see what's up. Nothing. Oh. Little makeup air for the kitchen, not their exhaust. Walk-in cooler, walk-in freezer. Huh? These units are pretty solid. Not saying that things don't go wrong, but I don't see anything wrong. So I love this bag. This is the best bag. Freaking Pro Pack. Had it for about 3 years. Invested the money a while ago. I used to have one of those CLC, like the little handbags. The open carry ones. That's pretty good, but I like this. Well worth the 120 bucks or whatever I paid. So, alright, let me go let the maintenance dude know that everything's working good, and drive back to Denver and see what else we can get into. We hired a new service tech today, so that's pretty exciting. We get a little relief. So, alright, well, let me get off of this roof over here. See you guys in a minute. Is this ½ inch? Is this half? I don't even know what to do. Can't even do anything. Just put it back and leave it, right? That's freaking crazy. ½ inch and 3/4. Okay. So, hour and a half drive for 15-minute call. Because they had the thermostat on heat. Silly, silly. I just went and changed the set points, and then those sliders, they take an average. So if you have 2 out of the 3 in set in the middle and 1 set to heat, it's going to bring the heat on. So depending upon what that room temperature is. So that's it for that one. I'm going to head back to Denver and see what else I can get into for the day. Rock on, like, subscribe, and we'll see you here on the next one. Later.